everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing a contact lens collection video, and this will be on the Cheerful Kristin collection. I have 3 out of the 4 colors. The color I'm missing I think is the color violet, but over here I have the color brown, blue and green with me, and this is from the brand HAPA KRISTIN. If you guys don't know who HAPA KRISTIN is, I've done probably like 3-4 videos of them already, but they are a Korean contact lens brand. And in regards of the price for this, which you guys are always curious about, these are monthly contact lenses. So this is about, it's $25.99 USD dollars. So in one box you get a pair. So if you have different eye power, you would unfortunately need to get 2 boxes, but if you have one eye power, you need to just get one. The thing that I like about HAPA KRISTIN is mainly the shipping prices, because at the moment with the whole lockdown they do not provide standard delivery, but when lockdown is over, there's no minimum, there's no maximum to get the free standard delivery, which takes about 7 to about 2 to 3 weeks to get it. But for my experience, took them about like 2 weeks to actually arrive here. But again, if there's no standard delivery, they do offer free express shipping if you spend over 40 USD dollars, which means you would only need to get like 2 to get free shipping. Or if you don't want to spend over $40, then the express shipping is only $9.99 USD dollars. And I do have a 10% discount code for you guys to use, but not necessary if you guys don't want to use it. So without further ado, we're going to start talking about the contact lens. The one I'm wearing right now is the Cheerful Kristin in the color green, and with this pattern it really mainly focuses on the iris rather than in the pupil. So the colors mainly focus on the outside, which makes it look like it's enlarging. However, the diameter for this is only 13.3 millimeters, which is leaning towards actually much more smaller side. So when I actually first put this on, I thought that was actually quite big, but actually looking at it online, looking at the box, the diameter is actually really small, which actually surprised me, because the overall diameter is 14.2, which is big, but the graphic diameter is actually only 13.3. so if you're not into enlarging contact lens, I feel like this would be great for you. And the pattern is very different. It's definitely not leaning towards the natural side, because you can definitely see that it is not really blending into the iris / pupil area. Is mainly focusing on the outer part, which I feel is actually quite unique. I actually quite like it. And to be honest, the favorite color that I have is actually blue color because of the pattern. But we'll start talking about the brown one first. The brown one, I feel like it's a mixture of like a yellow gold color. It feels like it's very one-toned. I feel like this particular color is really great if you have really light brown eyes rather than dark brown eyes like me, because if you have light brown eyes, I feel like wearing this contact lens will make your eyes just look like extra beautiful because of the lines that it goes in. It will make your eyes feel like it's like shining. I don't know why I think of shining. It looks like diamond in your eyes. That's all I can say, but I mean, it looks okay for me, but I feel like that brown will look great for those who have light brown eyes. Next would be the blue one, and when I first put this on, it really reminds me, I wrote it down here, it really reminds me of Silly Kristin Grey, just because of the outline that it was showing. It looks like it was like 2-tone color. It looks like it was a little bit of blue. It looks like it has like a rim of like a gray. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, this looked really familiar to something I've just tried from HAPA KRISTIN. I looked back at the photos and I was like, whoa, this really looked like Silly Kristin. However, with Silly Kristin, it was way more obvious on the eyes. The outer rim of that contact lens, it looks way more thicker as well, and that contact lens make your eyes look like it's icy and frosty looking, whereas this blue color is much more a subtle more down to earth color compared to the what's it called again? Oh, the Silly Kristin. So if you like Silly Kristin but you don't want it to be that obvious and you want it to be more subtle looking, I feel like the Cheerful Kristin blue would definitely suit you more, which I absolutely love. So I like the turnout of this on my eyes, because out of all this color contacts, this the rim of this is more obvious on the blue than the brown or the green. Now with the green one, I actually like this as well. This one, I feel like there's like 3 tone to it. So for me, it feels more of like a hazel green rather than like a jade green for me. So you also have that really light gray outer rim as well. But above that, over that, on the outer part of that gray, you also have a really light thin golden rim as well, so it's like double rim. And then on the inside you have like hazel color, and then the gray actually infused into the hazel color around that iris area as well, if that makes sense. So thinking about it, yeah, it's like, yeah, 3 tone to it. So I feel like this is very unique as well. So it's, even though this all come from the same collection, the pattern is similar, but the design with the pattern and the colors just makes the pattern looks different. I don't know if that makes sense, but I feel like all 3 is so different. Like, you know, like when you look at color contact lens, you think you get the same color, the same pattern when you buy it, but this one is like 3 of them is completely different. Like the only similarity to all of this is the way it spikes into your iris. That's it. But I feel like with the colors, with the design, everything just looks different, you know. So yeah, I feel like this collection is very unique. It varies for your preference, what you like. Let me know what you guys think down below, but I feel like this is really suitable for all color eyes as well. And yeah, the colors is just beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I do have another HAPA KRISTIN collection haul for you guys. It will be 4 gray contact lenses from there as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.